Across cultures and religions, many believe in a higher power that communicates with us, guiding our steps and whispering wisdom through the corridors of our minds. Let's explore the ways in which individuals perceive and interpret the divine messages that resonate within. Prayer and meditation. In the quiet moments of prayer and meditation, many believe that a divine dialogue unfolds, a conversation between the human soul and the Creator. Let's delve into the ways in which God speaks through these sacred practices. Prayer is a universal language that transcends boundaries and connects us to the divine. Whether spoken or silent, prayers are seen as a direct line of communication with God. Let's explore the transformative power of prayer and how it opens the channels for divine guidance. In the stillness of meditation, we turn our attention inward, seeking communion with the divine. Through silence and mindfulness, individuals create a sacred space for God's voice to be heard. Let's uncover the profound insights that meditation can reveal. Countless individuals share stories of receiving guidance, clarity, and comfort through prayers and meditations. We'll hear personal accounts of how God's voice, often subtle and gentle, has touched lives and provided direction in times of need. Many believe that God responds to prayers through symbols and signs. Whether in the form of a meaningful coincidence, a recurring image, or a synchronistic event, these signs are seen as direct messages from the divine. Deepening the connection with the divine through prayer and meditation requires intention and practice. We'll explore techniques to enhance your spiritual practice, fostering a more profound and meaningful communion with God. God speaks through prayers and meditations. We invite you to embrace the sacred stillness within. May your heart be open to the divine conversations that await you in the silence. Your prayers be heard and your meditations be filled with the gentle whispers of divine wisdom. Intuition as divine wisdom. In the quiet recesses of our inner selves, some believe that God's voice resonates through the language of intuition. Let's delve into the ways in which divine wisdom unfolds through the sacred gift of intuition. Intuition, often described as a gut feeling or an inner knowing, is believed by many to be a direct expression of divine guidance. We'll explore the concept of intuition as a channel through which God communicates with our souls. Just as a radio tunes into different frequencies to receive signals, tuning into the divine frequency of intuition requires mindfulness and receptivity. We'll discuss how cultivating stillness and presence enhances our ability to receive divine whispers. God's voice through intuition often speaks in the language of symbols and impressions. We'll explore how these subtle cues, whether in the form of images, feelings, or sudden insights, can provide profound guidance on our spiritual journey. Discernment is key in navigating the landscape of intuition. We'll discuss the importance of discerning between ego-driven thoughts and genuine divine insights, and how trust plays a crucial role in deepening our connection to divine wisdom. Personal stories often bear witness to the transformative power of intuitive guidance. We'll hear accounts from individuals who attribute significant life decisions and revelations to the gentle nudges of their intuitive senses. Cultivating intuition is a journey of spiritual growth. We'll explore various practices, such as meditation, prayer, and mindfulness, that enhance our receptivity to divine guidance and deepen the connection with our intuitive selves. Signs and synchronicities. In the intricate dance of life, some see the fingerprints of the divine in the form of signs and synchronicities. Let's delve into the belief that these subtle yet powerful occurrences are a language through which God speaks to our souls. Signs and synchronicities are often seen as meaningful coincidences or occurrences that hold significance beyond their apparent randomness. We'll explore how these divine messages can manifest in various forms, such as numbers, animals, or unexpected encounters. Just as every culture has its symbols and omens, signs from the divine are believed to carry symbolic meanings. We'll delve into the art of interpreting these symbols and understanding the messages they convey. To perceive divine signs requires a heightened state of awareness and openness to the mysteries of life. We'll discuss the importance of cultivating a receptive mindset, allowing us to notice and interpret the subtle messages God may be sending. Personal stories often reveal the transformative power of signs and synchronicities. We'll hear accounts from individuals who experienced life-altering moments and decisions guided by the divine language of signs. Synchronicities are not reserved for extraordinary moments but can be found in the tapestry of everyday life. We'll explore how even the seemingly mundane can be infused with divine significance through synchronous events. How can we invite divine guidance through signs and synchronicities into our lives? We'll explore practices and attitudes that foster a deeper connection with the divine language, encouraging a more profound dialogue between us and the divine. May you walk in harmony with the sacred signs that illuminate your path and deepen your connection with the divine. Dreams and visions. In the silent theaters of our sleep, some believe that God speaks to us through the language of dreams and visions. Let's delve into the rich tapestry of these nocturnal messages that may hold the keys to deeper understanding and divine guidance. Dreams have long been regarded as portals to the divine. We'll explore the spiritual significance of dreams, their role in various religious traditions, and the belief that God communicates with us through the landscapes of our sleeping minds. All dreams are created equal. Some believe that certain dreams carry a heightened sense of divine presence and significance. We'll explore different types of divine dreams, including prophetic dreams, visitation dreams, and symbolic dreams. Dream symbolism often holds the key to understanding divine messages. We'll delve into the art of dream interpretation, exploring how symbols, themes, and emotions within dreams may provide insights into the guidance God wishes to convey. Visions, often experienced in states of wakeful meditation or prayer, are another conduit through which the divine communicates. We'll explore the significance of visions and how they may offer spiritual revelations and guidance. Personal stories bear witness to the profound impact of divine dreams and visions. We'll hear accounts from individuals who have experienced life-altering moments and spiritual awakenings through the messages woven into their dreams and visions. Can we invite divine guidance through our dreams? We'll explore practices and attitudes that foster a deeper connection with the divine during our nightly journeys, inviting the wisdom of God to unfold in our dreams. Inspired thoughts and inner voice. God communicates through the subtle whispers of inspired thoughts and the inner voice. In the quiet chambers of our minds, some believe that God's voice resonates through inspired thoughts and the gentle whispers of the inner voice. Let's dive into the belief that these subtle but profound occurrences are channels through which divine guidance flows. Inspired thoughts are often described as sudden, compelling ideas that seem to arise out of nowhere. We'll explore how these thoughts are perceived as divine nudges, offering insights and guidance from a higher source. The inner voice, often referred to as the still, small voice within, is believed by many to be a direct channel to the divine. We'll explore how this inner guidance provides clarity and direction, leading us towards spiritual growth. Just as a radio tunes into different frequencies to receive signals, tuning into the divine frequency of inspired thoughts and the inner voice requires stillness and receptivity. We'll discuss how cultivating mindfulness and presence enhances our ability to receive divine whispers. Discernment is crucial in recognizing divine insights amidst the chatter of our minds. We'll explore the importance of discerning the source of our thoughts and how trust plays a pivotal role in deepening our connection to divine wisdom. Personal stories often reveal the transformative power of inspired thoughts and the inner voice. We'll hear accounts from individuals who have experienced life-altering moments and spiritual revelations guided by these sacred whispers. How can we cultivate a stronger connection to the divine through inspired thoughts and the inner voice? We'll explore practices and attitudes that foster a deeper and more intimate dialogue between us and the divine. Trusting the inner guidance. In the tapestry of life, trusting our inner guidance is often considered a sacred practice, a navigation guided by the compass of our own intuition. Let's delve into the wisdom of learning to trust the sacred within. What is inner guidance, and why is it considered a source of profound wisdom? We'll explore the essence of trusting the inner voice and the transformative power it holds in guiding our life's journey. Trusting our inner guidance begins with awareness. We'll discuss the importance of tuning into our thoughts, feelings, and intuitive nudges, fostering a deeper connection with the subtle currents of our inner wisdom. Discernment is a key element in trusting inner guidance. We'll explore the art of differentiating between the authentic voice of intuition and the noise of doubt or fear, allowing us to confidently follow the guidance that resonates with our soul. Mindfulness practices play a crucial role in cultivating trust in our inner guidance. We'll delve into techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and present moment awareness that create a supportive environment for the blossoming of inner wisdom. Trusting our inner guidance often involves an act of surrender, a willingness to let go of control and allow the flow of life to guide us. We'll explore the transformative power of surrender and how it opens the door to unforeseen possibilities. How can we nurture and strengthen our relationship with the sacred within? We'll discuss practices that foster a deep and ongoing dialogue with our intuitive selves, creating a harmonious partnership on our spiritual journey. As we conclude our exploration into the ways God speaks through our minds, we invite you to reflect on your own spiritual journey. Whether through prayer, intuition, signs, or dreams, may you find the guidance and solace you seek. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Until next time, may your heart be open to the whispers of divine wisdom, guiding you on the sacred path of life.